So a question I've been asked is, what do we do when we're off-grid and we want to wash our clothes? So let me show you. Travelling as a family of 4 with 2 young boys means there's constant washing. So today we're going to do the Grand Lessiverie, which I found out this trip means the big wash. We're currently just sat in a Carrefour, which is about 2 minutes away from this campsite that I've just found on Search for Sites. Great app. If you don't know what it is, I'll leave a link in the comments below. It's great for finding sites across Europe, in the UK, etc. Either for free or campsites, you name it, it's all on there with reviews, with pictures most of the time. So anyway, we're doing a quick wash because we had loads of stuff to wash. We've driven about 5-6 hours from the bottom of France up to like the middle area just below Bourges, or the Bourges, however you pronounce it. So we're doing a quick wash in a Carrefour car park. There's not much here really, so it's quite nice. We've just tucked ourselves in the shade under the trees. It's about 30 degrees today. The washing machines are just there and we're tucked away in the shade just here. So let me show you what we've got here. Right, these are in French because obviously we're in France here. So we've got a 9 kilo wash, a 20 kilo wash, and then a 20 kilo dry. So the 9 kilo wash is €5, 12 euros, then it's 3 euros for the dry. So let's get washing. It's all operated from this panel here. So they take a card, or you can put coins in as well, and notes. Pretty easy, ready? So we might do 2 washes at the same time. Might do the 9 and the 20 kilo, just so it speeds up time. So first with a 9 though. Check it's all okay in there. Yeah. Tablet in. Load her up. That's locked in place. We go to the machine, so we go, you can press English on here, touch the screen. We're going to wash. We're going to do the 9. Would you like to add softener? Yeah, why not? Would you like to read a text when your laundry is ready? Yeah. No, actually no, let's not do that. We don't need to do that. Available voucher. Ignore, I've got no voucher. We do credit card. €6 because I added softener for fun. Would you like a receipt? No. No. Please go to machine 3 and choose your cycle. Press the start button. Oh crikey. What's that mean? Demarrage, oh Christ. £30. Let's give this a go. Do you like the way I pretended to understand French there? But still switched it to English. I don't know what I've just selected, but look, it's spinning and it's working. So we'll soon find. Sonny's pants will never be cleaner. The good thing about this one as well, we can have a look around the Carrefour. There's another shop across the road as well. Round 2. Yeah, Sonny was a bit motion sick earlier and puked up. It was asleep. He puked up 3 yogurts all over his seat, so the car seat stinks. So we're going to get that washed too, because sick stinks, as you all know. She's still spinning. It looks wet, means it's working. It's locked. Back to the machine again. Wash. 20 kilo. Yeah, why not? No. Ignore. Credit card. There with. More than one hand for this, don't we? Should Dobby. No. And we're in business.
As we've stopped to do the washing, I'm going to do some housework. We've got a bit of time to waste, so I'm just doing some hoovering. Sonny's having some cereal, and David and Elijah have gone to find camping gas because we're in a Carrefour, so hopefully they'll have it. But yeah, just doing some hoovering because it's an absolute mess. We've been on sites that have just been sand and shingle, so it's all come in the motorhome. So keep our handy little hoover in my handy little hole here. Let's get it done.
Becky's just showering down Sonny's seat as well because all the little sticky bits get in the seat. Hope you're enjoying this content, guys. Just proof that it's happening, that's all. Because we use these Temu covers that fit over our original seats, they're just washable and replaceable. They were so cheap. Right, wash number 1 is complete. I'm just waiting for wash number 2 to finish, then I'm going to put them in the dryer to dry. They should all go in that one, all being well. And we're drying. So it cost a little bit more than I'd planned, just because I put softener in each one of these, which is an extra euro, I think. So got €6, 13 euros, so 19. And this was 9 because I put it on for an hour because there's quite a lot of stuff in there. What was that? €6, 19. So it's 28 quid, but it's 28 euros, so 20 odd quid to wash a couple of loads, which is quite expensive. So the lesson out of this one is take my own washing machine from home, because I've got one and it fits in the motorhome and it's a proper motorhome one. So there you go, slap on the wrist for me. But equally, if you're stuck, then these can come in quite handy. Thanks for watching, guys. Time to pick up the drying. Washing complete. Oh yeah, don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you like this sort of content, then please subscribe, and don't forget to put the bell icon on to get notified of our new stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.